Salesforce as enterprise software, features, benefits, and FAQs. Salesforce is a leading enterprise software platform designed to help businesses manage customer relationships, streamline operations, and drive growth. Trusted by organizations worldwide, Salesforce offers a wide range of features that make it a go-to solution for enterprises of all sizes. Key features: Customer Relationship Management (CRM). Salesforce excels at managing customer data, tracking interactions, and automating workflows to enhance customer experiences. Sales and marketing automation. Tools like email marketing, lead generation, and campaign management help businesses reach the right audience and convert leads more effectively. Analytics and reporting. With advanced analytics and real-time reporting, businesses can make data-driven decisions and track performance across sales, marketing, and service departments. Collaboration tools. Salesforce enables seamless communication within teams with features like chatter and integration with external tools like Slack. Customization and scalability. The platform offers customizable solutions and apps via the App Exchange, allowing enterprises to tailor the software to their unique needs. Benefits: improved efficiency. Automation and integration simplify complex processes, saving time and reducing human error. Enhanced customer service. By providing a 360-degree view of customer interactions, Salesforce helps deliver personalized service, increasing customer satisfaction. Scalability. As businesses grow, Salesforce scales with them, offering flexibility without compromising performance. Cloud-based accessibility. Accessible from anywhere, Salesforce enables teams to collaborate in real time, ensuring productivity no matter where employees are. FAQs. Q. How secure is Salesforce? A. Salesforce is known for its top-tier security, offering data encryption, regular backups, and compliance with global standards. Q. Can Salesforce integrate with other tools? A. Yes, Salesforce integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, including email, social media, and ERP systems. Salesforce is more than just CRM software. It's a comprehensive enterprise platform that drives efficiency, growth, and customer satisfaction.